Hello everyone! Today I am going to show you one of our listings of the month, which is a colonial style villa for sale located within the only beachside community in the city of Puerto Plata. Stay with me until the end to see more of this location and all the details of this home. Colonial style villa with amazing Gulf views. (805 square meters of land and 144 square meters of construction, plus a gazebo of 25 square meters of construction with half bathroom. Electric gate, covered carport, Please like this video to support our channel and don't forget to subscribe to be the first to receive our new listings. All furniture and appliances are included in the price. High ceilings for natural light and cross ventilation. Spacious living rooms. Elegant floors with imported tiles. Fully equipped kitchen with granite countertops and precious wood. Top-of-the-line appliances. Ensuite master bathroom with double sink. Shower and walk-in closet. This house features 3 bedrooms with closets and air conditioning. Amazing backyard with pool, gazebo, and garden. Spectacular views of the golf course. Even a massage room to relax in the comfort of your home. Within this community, you will be able to enjoy exclusive facilities and services such as golf and country club, starting with a 9-hole golf course, restaurants and bars on site, gym, pool facilities, tennis court, pro shop and spa. Also, you have access to a pharmacy and convenience store. Have lunch or dinner right at the beach. Private security and access control at the main gate. Living in Costambar means a 5 minutes walk to the beach and only 10 minutes drive to Puerto Plata City. Costambar offers to residents and visitors top dining experience, entertainment, white sand beach, golf course and spa, private security, stores and pharmacy, and a prime location close to the city. You can call me or WhatsApp for details or if you want to visit this listing.